I'm gonna show you how to disable your alarm in case your battery go out or something happens to your alarm. So I'm gonna show you how to disarm it or disable it. So I'm gonna get here in my truck. Only thing you have to do is come over here, put your key in, turn it to on. Once you turn it to on, my thing was right here, but I got to glue it back on. But as you can see, you turn it to on and you push this button right here for like 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, once you do that, you can go and start your vehicle. And that's all to it, and most vehicles are like that. You just turn the key to on and find the button and push it. As you can see, this is the button to mine. So now it's disabled. So if I want to auto start my vehicle, let's see, 1, 2, 3. It won't start. So if I put my key back in and turn it to on and arm it again, okay, you see the light went out. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna do my auto start. She hit it 2 times. You can see it started up. All right, I hope this video helps. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.